This is the Leica 8 to 18mm f2.8-4 lens, and this is going to be my new vlogging lens to replace the Sigma 10 to 20mm f3.5 lens. That's a great lens, but it's adapted with a speed booster, and the autofocus is not great in video. So if I want to vlog, I never actually use the Sigma because you need to use manual focus. I didn't use that lens that much, but it's a great lens, very sharp, corner to corner, great image quality, and it's constant aperture. It's faster with the speed booster. It's constant f2.5 on Micro Four Thirds system, so it's quite a lot faster than this lens actually. But native lens, nothing beats a native lens. You can autofocus, you don't have to worry about it. Just point wherever you want and it's in focus. And it's much smaller. It's tiny, right? This lens is so much smaller, much easier to handle, to carry, to travel with. So yeah, this is my gear acquisition syndrome. It is showing up again and again and again, and it will keep showing up in the future because I'm addicted. I'm obsessed with the cameras and lenses. This is who I am, and a lot of people can relate to this. At least I sold my old lenses and cameras to get this lens, so also it's used, so it's all balanced out. I mean, one can always justify these purchases, like saying, okay, I need a ultra wide angle lens to vlog with. I need it to be lightweight so I can carry it everywhere I want. I need autofocus, that's why I need this lens. But these are justifications that you make after the purchase, or even you pre-made these justifications before you even bought this lens. And when you were looking, okay, I was looking for this lens and I already justified for the purchase in my head even before I purchased it. Those are justifications. You find excuses so that you don't feel bad for buying new gear. But the real reason of you buying new gear is because you love it, right? You love the feeling of receiving a package in the mail and open it, unboxing it for the first time. The excitement, it is addictive. I am not a big vlogger. I don't vlog that much. I don't really point camera to my face that often, but in a few days I'm gonna go on a trip to Bologna, so I'm gonna try to vlog as well as taking a lot of photos. I will bring my tripod to shoot a lot of 80 megapixel epic pictures with a G9. Okay, so to justify this lens, the 8 to 18mm, because it's lightweight. I have the Leica 10 to 25mm f1.7 lens. That's a killer lens. That one lens can do everything, but why don't I vlog with it? Because it's heavy. It's much bigger, and if you want to get a good view of yourself, you have to extend your arm a lot further back, because the lens barrel is more forward. If you hold your camera, you will have a narrower field of view. If comparing to holding a camera with a smaller lens, the lens is naturally more distant from your face, so that's a huge advantage. And yeah, when you travel, there are two types of travel. Like, one is when you want to make something serious, like make some really nice video, right? You plan out the trip and you bring the best lens you can, maybe a tripod, and set up every shot. And the whole purpose of the trip is to make this video. And then there's another type of travel, which is just to have fun. You hang out with friends, maybe you travel with the friends. You want to enjoy, cherish the moment. You don't want to set up camera for 10 minutes every step. Every time you see a scenery, you stop and take photos and videos. Make your friends wait for you. For this kind of a trip, you want to enjoy yourself, have fun. You want something lightweight and versatile, and just something you pick up and shoot. You don't have to think too much about it. So that's how am I gonna justify it, and why I do need this lightweight ultra wide angle lens. This is gonna be vlogging lens plus landscape lens. that's it. See you next time. See you soon. See you soon. See you soon in the next video. Stay tuned. Amazing video coming. Wow. So much wow. This is 12mm. This is 10mm. And 9. We have the 9mm f1.7 lens. That is also a great choice, but not for me. I like zoom better. And 8mm. Super wide. Wow. Amazing. At 18mm, this is the best bokeh you can get. Let's see. Rotate the cameras. You can see a little bit better. The Leica 12 to 60 will have a little bit better bokeh because the aperture is slightly wider at 18mm because it starts at 12mm f2.8. So yeah. Obviously, I will review this lens in the future someday. We'll see. And this is at 8mm f2.8, the closest focusing distance. It's nothing amazing in terms of bokeh, but no, still good subject separation there. This is also 18mm f4, and this is 8mm f2.8. Can get really close. And autofocus is pretty good. Oh, lost it. Oh, never mind. It recognized the face